Hi guys, I am Jiten Kumar Sharma from the Let's Image Private Limited, and today I am going to present how the installations happens or how we install Laravel force matrix plan that we have built in Laravel. So here, this is the Laravel applications I have already here. Okay, so I am just putting here and I am entering in this one directory, and let me show you how our plan is this one. So this is the basically documentations that we have, or the Let's MS Private Limited has been created these documentations for the user purpose that they can easily install this one applications and get the benefits of this one. Okay. So this is the mainly Laravel applications minimum requirements that whatever you need. Okay, the PHP 7.2.5 should be, and these extensions should be enabled on your server, whatever the server like the Linux or the Windows like the JAMP, WAMP or MEMP, whatever you are using. Okay, so here now I am going to the steps that is given here, like the extract the zip file and the copy all files and folders from the Laravel FMP folder and paste to your website root directory, whatever you have decided. So right now we have decided only on the Laravel FMP directory there. Okay. So second step is this: open terminal or the CMD and enter your website root folder directory. So already I have in that one. Okay. So you need to be inside of that one. Now we need to install, or we need to run the command composer installs. So by that composer install, the all packages needed will be installed automatically because we did not include in the application zip file the vendor packages. So you need to install by the composer command. So right now I am running the composer command here, composer install. Okay, so everything will be installed here within the some time only on. It will take some time. So this has been like the packages has been installed perfectly here or the fine. So now I am going to the next command that we have run PHP and the following instructions. So basically you need to put this command or run command, and whatever the this one command is asking for the things you need to put. So please enter your domain name provided to the Let's CMS Private Limited at the time of the purchase of this software. Basically, whenever you purchase this software, you need to put the informations regarding your website or the domain name. Okay, so because the licensing happens. So I am just putting here the local host because I have the license key for the local host in our applications right now. So please enter your license key provided by the Let's CMS Private Limited at the time of the purchase of this one. So I have already uh, that key. Just a minute. So this is the Sublime basically. Uh, yeah, here is the license key, and just I am putting the license key here. What is the project database name? Basically, this is asking regarding the database name. So I am just putting here the Laravel underscore FMP because I created this one. This is asking what is the project database username. So I am putting here root because I am running this one on the local host, and that username is the root. So what is the project database password? This is the password of the database username. Okay. So I am just putting here the blank. After this one, database detail updated successfully. So everything has been updated, like the .env file has been created and everything, whatever you need for this one. Now we are going to the next. So this is the command that I need to run, and this will ask something. to you as well. This will take some time only on here the migrations happens. So this is asking like do you want to install the demo before going live? So I am just putting here the yes, because if I will do the no, then the demo data will not be installed in this one application. So I am just putting here the yes. This is saying that please wait, we are setting up the demo FMP settings and users. So here, this one applications is by the command line. This is running for the demo purpose. So it will take some time only on. Yeah, database sync completed successfully. Woohoo, installations completed, okay? So this one installations has been completed. Here, admin detail is given the URL, your website name and FMP admin. So here I am just putting this one. Laravel FMP is the my directory where the we or I set up this one project, and FMP admin login is the login detail of this one. So I am just putting this one information. Superadmin@example.net. So this one, and password is there 123456 till the 9 and 0. So I am just putting here and remembering this one. So this has been successfully logged in, and after that, this is the dashboard. These are the some settings. So these settings we will discuss later in the next video, but I will put everything whatever you needed, like the documentation, URL, and everything, okay, in the comment or the description detail of this one in the video. So you can grow easily there. Now I will create another video for this one, like how the settings will be work and how these applications will be work. So if you have any issue in the installation part, please communicate with me on the WhatsApp by the call on number +919717478599. And you can also communicate by the email letcmsdev@gmail.com. That is the LETSCMSDEV@gmail.com. And you can also reach out at Skype, that is the JKS05. So now, thank you for this one, and let me create for you the next video for the settings related to the settings and how this applications works properly. Okay, thank you.